Good more afternoon to all my awesome friends and family. Today I decided to put a Halloween wine and tea station in my kitchen. For if I want to have a little glass of wine at the end of the day, I can have it ready to go. And if I want to have a little bit of tea early in the morning to get myself going, everything is there also. This is a great little way to decorate for fall, because in the fall it feels good to have a nice warm drink in the morning, but it feels good to have a glass of wine and unwind after dinner. And this is how it turned out in the progress I made. I hope you enjoy watching this video that I put together today. This project was to try to make this sort of look like a jack-in-the-box popping out of this box with a skeleton head. I don't know if it's working. We'll see. Well, I don't think it looks bad. It's just not giving me what I really want. But it still may be alright because it doesn't look bad. Like a jack-in-the-box skeleton popping out of a box. That was my goal, but we may just have it look like a skeleton out of a box, but not a jack-in-the-box. Okay, I made two strips of 3 inches wide and the length of a sheet of paper right here. Let's see what the measurements on that are. Okay, the craft paper is 12 inches long, and I took 3 inches for each one of these strips. So far I have 2, and I don't know yet if I'm going to have to put a third. We're going to wait and see. Well, here's my little skeleton jumping out of the box. Isn't he cute? Do love him so much. Isn't he the sweetest little thing? Look at that big old smile he has on his face. The cost of making my little sweetie pie here was $1 for the box and $1 for the skeleton and $1 for the paper. So a total of $3 was this DIY project that I put together today. Thought it turned out pretty good, and there's still leftovers for other projects that won't cost me anything. So, hope you come back and see what other DIY projects Grandma gets done for Halloween. Well, how about a glass of wine? What do you think? Are these not beautiful little wine glasses? I guess this is our wine station or tea station, whatever we feel like we want to drink today. As you can see, I have my teapot and saucers and cups back there, all nicely tucked tightly together. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think of my Halloween time. How about coming and having a glass of wine with Grandma Sandy? Doesn't that sound yummy? A little bit of wine. Or maybe some hot tea. We're heading into fall. Don't forget, this channel is designed for adults that are interested in gardening, home decor, cooking, cleaning, DIY projects, or anything else that Grandma might want to come up with. We also have inspirational talks sometimes. Well, don't forget to come back and see Grandma again soon, my awesome friends. Kisses and hugs until the very end. Ooh, look at that, my beauty. I light up at night too. Isn't this awesome? I thought you would love it. Oh yes, he's a handsome boy, and he lights up at night. Hope you enjoyed seeing this Halloween vignette I put together today. There's going to be lots more for Halloween. Come back and see what else I do. Now you can see the different versions I have done just by adding a few more accessories. First it was the wine glasses, then it was the flowers. I think I'm going to stop while I'm ahead. Hope you guys enjoyed this version. I thought this might be the spookiest one of all. Bye-bye. Hugs and kisses to all my favorite lovelies out there. Bye-bye.